This is too cute. So it says, in case of emergency, break the glass. That was so aggressive. I didn't want to do it too lightly and, have you guys think I'm weak. So I went really aggressive with it. I definitely broke it. Hi everyone, we are going to do a major unboxing today. I'm Dr. Joyce, board-certified dermatologist, and I have actually been traveling out of town for the past 3 to 4 weeks, give or take. I've pretty much only been home like 5 days during the last month, and so a lot of packages have accumulated. My entryway has pretty much turned into a shipping warehouse, and I decided this would be a good opportunity to open up some packages with you all, share with you what I received, and maybe we can go over some of the products. And as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. All right, so I spent the last 15 minutes actually slicing open all the boxes with the box cutter, and I did this off camera because I did not want to capture on camera me slicing my hand open, breaking my nail, and yelling in pain. So I opened up a bunch of the boxes. I picked out the ones from brands that you know and love and would recognize, and I'm gonna go through a couple of these awesome mailers. This package from La Roche-Posay, and I'm excited to share this one with you because it is definitely a fan favorite that's all over all the social media platforms. This one is the Cicaplast Balm B5 from La Roche-Posay. This is too cute. So it says, in case of emergency, break the glass. That was so aggressive. I didn't want to do it too lightly and, have you guys think I'm weak. So I went really aggressive with it. I definitely broke it. This is very cute. And it's not real glass, obviously. I'm not gonna cut myself. So the reason why this has gone so viral, I think, is because it is such a hydrating, nourishing, and protecting balm for your skin that's very rich, but absorbs quickly. It has panthenol, it also has shea butter, and it has glycerin, which is a humectant. So this is really gonna help your skin hold on to that moisture. Comes out like this texture. You know what? It really does remind me of sunscreen in the texture. There's no smell. I get the hype. This is actually the first time I'm trying this product, even though I've seen ads for it and I've heard my colleagues rave about it. It is definitely really nourishing and hydrating. It absorbed in really quickly. Now, I will say, I think this is a better cream for winter time and springtime rather than the summer. So I think this is a good one for you to use if you tend to have more dry to normal skin. This also does not have any fragrance, so it's good if you have sensitive skin. I could see this being really great for hand dermatitis. If you have eczema on your hands, you could use this on your feet. You could really use this all over your body. I think you could even use this on your face. So I'm happy I got to try it. Next up is a brand that I have talked about a lot. It's EltaMD, and they're famous for their sunscreens. I've talked about my favorite, which is the UV Elements sunscreen, or the UV Clear for acne, oily, prone skin. And today they're sharing a new launch, so let's open it up. This is a new UV Luminous with broad spectrum SPF 41. It has a light rosy tint, all physical ingredients, and it's water resistant for 40 minutes. They also included samples of some of my favorites here and this really cute little notebook, glossy and pink. So what makes this product different from the other EltaMD sunscreens? This one has more antioxidants like linoleic acid and also vitamin E to help protect against oxidative stress from the sun. It also comes in a light rosy tint, and that word rosy really appeals to me because I have rosacea, so I wonder if this will match my skin tone a little better than the other ones. And it has a semi-matte finish. So I'm gonna open this up and try this with you today. Let's try this out on my hand and see what this rosy tint is all about. It's also oil-free, so good for acne prone skin. Ooh, interesting. Okay, right off the bat, this is very different from the UV Elements one that I like, which is more creamy. This one has more of a matte texture, even with me just putting it on my hand. So I put a lot on just to let you know. Oh, interesting. This color, a little light on me. As I mentioned, I also put a lot on. Okay, she's rubbing in. I'll have to use this on my face later and give you a full review, but it has pretty much disappeared very seamlessly into my skin. As you can see, I have more of a fair light skin tone, but it did come out a little bit with a pinkish tone. So I think this would really be good for people who have more pink, rosy, red undertones in their skin like I do, because, well, I have rosacea. This is not specifically made for rosacea, but it is lightly tinted. It's not like your dewy be ultra, like, it's not gonna be like a highlight on your face, but this gives you a matte finish. I think you could easily layer on top of this and put your makeup on. So very nice. Next up, we're gonna see what Tatcha sent me. They always have the most beautiful packaging in their PR packages. It feels like Christmas. It feels like I'm always opening a specially wrapped present just for me. So this one looks like it's a serum, and they always include these Japanese elements of wrapping, which I save and use them as hair ties or use them to accessorize my presents when I wrap them. My presents never turn out quite as beautiful as Tatcha's though. Let's open it up. Okay, so this is Tatcha's the Silk Serum, and it contains retinol in a positively potent alternative. It definitely looks like this is sleeping in a nice little pillow. So this one, the Silk Serum, has a vitamin A retinol alternative that's made up of cranberry extract and sea fennel that supports collagen depleted skin while the silk nourishes. So they're using cranberry extract, which has peptides and amino acids like arginine to help build collagen, and then the sea fennel that helps reduce roughness and soothe irritated skin. So my takeaway from reading the ingredients, this is going to do similar things as to what retinol does, meaning it can act as an exfoliant. There's some antioxidants in it, but it's not going to replace your retinoid. I'm just gonna be honest with you. This is not gonna do this exact same things that vitamin A does. It doesn't work in the same chemical pathway. So if you're looking for a product that can help soothe and also exfoliate, this might be one to try, but it's not gonna replace your retinoid. One is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is so cute. It says, unlock your magic. There's an actual lock on this. How do I take this out? Hold on one second, I have to figure this out. Have Naturium, which is a very awesome drugstore brand founded by Susan Yara. And I'm always impressed because they do have wonderful active ingredients. I remember when they came out with the azelaic acid formulation years ago, tranexamic acid, so they have really great actives. And this one is a softening creamy clay body wash for you to use in the shower. Clay to cream formula that clarifies and softens skin. So this contains French pink clay, bioflavonoids, magnesium PCA, squalane, and glycerin to help hydrate. And how the active ingredients work, the French pink clay is supposed to help purify your pores. You know, you always think about clay masks as helping to kind of decongest and clean out your pores. The bioflavonoids to help neutralize free radicals, the magnesium PCA to revitalize the skin, and then as we know, squalane and glycerin really helps to moisturize your skin. I think this year there's a big trend towards focusing more on body skin and scalp skin in general. I mean, we pay so much attention to this right here. I know this is the moneymaker, but we also have to pay attention to the rest of the skin on our body. Bodies, scalp, it's all skin and it all requires care. So I'm definitely going to try this out in the shower. One comes to me from overseas. So this package was shipped to me from Korea. This is from Isntree, which is a very popular watery sun gel sunscreen. Let's see what they included in my package. Oh, okay. So this one is, I love a good sun stick. In my last video where I talk about transitioning to springtime skincare, I do go over 2 sun sticks, and here's another one. So I'm also going to review this and let you know what I think. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Airy Sun Stick, SPF 50 plus PA++++++. And this, just like its watery sun gel, also has 8 types of hyaluronic acid. In fact, I'm gonna try this out for you right now. It also kind of looks like a little deodorant stick. Okay. Kind of gives off a sunscreen smell. Not that that's a bad thing. I don't really care about that. Okay, let's see how this goes. I always feel so funny doing this. Ooh, no white cast at all. It goes on matte. So this one actually really reminds me of the Beauty by Chosun Sun Stick. That was a collaboration with Glow by Ramon that I reviewed last week. And I think this is a really good competitor to that one. I like it. You know, I could put a lot on and it doesn't look or feel greasy at all. I think this would be a good one to reapply over makeup. I do have makeup on. Applying over my makeup. I'm rubbing off all my makeup right now. Let's see. I mean, this really did get a bunch of makeup on my sunstick as expected. So I'm gonna have to think about that because I don't really want my sunstick to have all my makeup over it. So I might stick to my sunscreen compact, tinted sunscreen compact by Skin Better. But I think this is a great option if you want to reapply on your body or if you want to reapply on your skin, as long as you don't have too much makeup on. Also sent me their Yam Root Vegan Milk Cream. Sorry, this is the toner. toner, the cream, and also the cleanser. So I don't know too much about yam root. I'll have to read into it. This is the Andong yam extract, and this cleanser is supposed to also remove makeup. So I'll have to try these and let you know what I think. I have 2 packages from Glow Recipe. They always have really cute packaging as well. This one looks like it's some strawberry kind of thing. It says open up to glow. Don't know if I'm doing this correctly. I'm gonna end up ripping it. All right, this one has Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. This is a serum. Key ingredients of this one include encapsulated BHA. So BHA is salicylic acid, goes into your pores, cleans it out, cuts down on sebum production. It also has strawberry enzyme for exfoliating. It has a plant-derived pore minimizer and strawberry leaf extract to help reduce the appearance of pore size, and pore blurring tapioca and rice to hide excess oil. So this is a really great option if you have oily or acne-prone skin, or if you have large pores and you're looking to minimize the appearance of them. Now, we've talked a lot before about how your pores do not open and close. They're not doors, and that a lot of pore size is actually genetic and also environmental exposure to things like UV radiation that enlarges the pores. So you're not going to use any product and magically expect your pores to be erased. It just doesn't work that way, and any product that says that's going to happen is making a false marketing claim. But I will say, ingredients like what are in this one, like the BHA, the salicylic acid, the strawberry enzyme, we know that that helps to exfoliate. So that can be helpful in cleaning out the pores, thereby reducing the appearance of the pores. All right, I'll get off my high horse about pores. This is another mailer from Glow Recipe. This one is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid Dewy Moisture and Plump Cream. So it's a refillable moisturizer. You can see that it actually comes with a refill. So a lot of brands are trying to be more environmentally friendly and taking more notice of having more sustainable packaging. This one is a lightweight, creamy gel moisturizer that melts into your skin quickly. It has 3 plum extracts, 5 weights of hyaluronic acid, and also polyglutamic acid. You know I love a good moisturizer. I'm going to try these out and spill the tea and let you know what I think. You're not going to believe this next one. Say Beauty sent me a literal trunk. A trunk. This is beautiful. Okay, so this says new Glowy Super Skin Weightless Hydro Bounce Serum Foundation. This is 85% skin serum plus 15% weightless pigment. And it's basically, I think this is a serum foundation. So this is a hybrid, and I love how there are a lot more brands now that make makeup with skin-loving ingredients and skin benefits. I think that's so cool. There is, across the board, there's the Glowy Super Gel, the base brush, a foundation brush, a Glowy Super Skin, which is the lightweight luminous foundation, and then the other Glowy Super Skin, I think they gave it to me in 2 tints. There's nothing else in the trunk, but I mean, I'm gonna use this for all my skincare treasures. Are gonna go right in here. That's not all. Another package with a viral cream Balm bronzer. I can't say the words. You see, they're a very Gen Z brand. Look at this. You know, bucket hats were popular when I was in high school. I used to have so many bucket hats. I used to have bell bottoms, platforms, lowrider jeans, the whole thing, and now I feel old because they're all coming back. But you know what? I'm glad they're coming back. They were a good look. So it is a package of their best sellers. Another big brush. This is their super popular Sun Melt, the natural cream bronzer. So I like to use that as contour basically. And then another Glowy Super Gel. This one is in Sun Glow. I'll have to try these out for you and do a whole face of makeup with the foundation that has their Hydro Bounce technology, which is super hydrating, and then the glowy stuff. So I'll do that for y'all. Managed to find out how to open this key, so that'll have to be another time because my son's home. He's super excited and interested in all these products that are all over, and I can't film when he's around. So I will catch up with you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tune in for more next week. Until next time.